What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Smart View not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option software update. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.